boys. Hello boys. I am showing you the activity 6.8, that is on your page number 61 if I am correct. Then I have taken, as per the instructions given, baking powder in the petri dish, and I have taken vinegar in the test tube that we have already taken to the test tube, and lime water from the bottle into the test tube. So now we are going to perform the activity. I would like to show you what happens when these two things react with each other. So we'll add sodium bicarbonate to the acid. You can see the hissing. Bubbles are rising up. This is carbon dioxide gas. See, so much gas is being produced. This is all carbon dioxide gas. This gas we'll be testing, which I am going to show you in the next clip. And we are going to test for the gas with a burning splinter. See, the gas is extinguished. This tells you that the gas produced is carbon dioxide. Now we'll do another test to prove that when these two things react, CO2 is produced, and for that we have taken a extra test tube over there in which we are going to collect the gas and then pass it through the lime water. So we'll start with mixing the two substances together. The CO2 will collect in the test tube that we have put inverted over, and then we are going to add it to the lime water. You can see a little amount of gas is getting deposited in the test tube that we have inverted. See, you can see the lime water has turned milky. I'll just zoom and show you. Right, a slight change because the CO2 has reacted with the lime water and calcium carbonate has been produced. Calcium carbonate is a white colored precipitate, and this white colored precipitate gives the lime water a milky appearance. So this is the reaction between bicarbonates and carbonates with acids.